especially as you've seen in tech, rolls on again today. Our reporters are standing by to break in with the results. We'll show you the stock moves as all of this goes down. Our panel at the ready too: Stephanie Link, Hightower's chief investment strategist; Sarat Sethi of Douglas C. Lane; Liz Young is SoFi's chief market strategist; and Malcolm Etheridge of CIC Wealth. Stephanie and Sarat are CNBC contributors. By the way, the results are dropping as we speak. I see that Amazon's out. Reporters are going through it. And Sarat, you've got Amazon, you've got Google, you've got Qualcomm. Meta gave us a blast off today. Do these keep it going or bring everything back down to earth?
Well, I think you're going to have very specific indicators for each one. I think for Amazon, we're going to have to look and see what is AWS doing and how is retail doing. I think for Google, what is advertising doing and what is cloud doing. So those are going to be really great indicators of kind of what the stock's going to do. And really, the calls are going to determine what we're going to hear. Qualcomm's all going to be about the demand. If demand has fallen off, we know the supply is there. So that's going to be a question of what their operating margin is going to be.
Big thing you're worried about with Amazon, if anything, is it the slowdown in the U.S., the cloud? Because, I mean, that's where the growth is. That's what you're paying up for.
That's where the competition is really coming. It's coming from Microsoft. It's coming from Oracle. Can they sustain the growth and can they sustain their margins? Because that's like the true value of Amazon.
Hey, Christina Partsinevelos is standing by. Qualcomm's moving, and they are reporting. Christina, what do we see here?
Right now we have mixed results for Q1, but guidance was a miss. Adjusted EPS of $2.37 a share was 3 cents higher than estimates, but revenue fell short at wanted. So that means the management is expecting revenues to actually fall about 12% year over year in Q2. So what happened? Normally the December quarter is a strong one for smartphones, but smartphone sales fell 18% during that important holiday season. Given Qualcomm is a large supplier for handsets, it got hit by demand weakness and elevated customer inventory levels. Qualcomm, though, echoing other by saying that short-term cyclical headwinds continue and that the demand weakness is now broadened to include. They too expect things to improve in the second half of this year. So it's like higher on the news.
All right, yep, we'll follow that, Christina. Thank you. You come back with more information as you have it there. Deirdre Bosa, Amazon is out. What can you tell us?
And shares are moving higher by more than 3% after finishing the session up by more than 7%. It is a beat on the top line. Q4 revenue coming in at nearly $150 billion, 149.2, 145.5 was expected. We're not going to compare the EPS number, but on a GAAP basis, it came in at $1.30.